Google DeepMind's Gemini Robotics 2 just unveiled 3 next-gen capabilities. So today on AI News, we're showing you what it can do now and what's coming next, starting with its full-body control and coordination.
Hey Apollo, the kids are going to do some sport today. Could you help them to pack?
I see on the calendar that Jesse has a pickleball match at 2 p.m. and Jeremy has a baseball game at 4 p.m. Let's get started.
Now watch this intent get translated step by step into whole body control across 42 degrees of freedom with 22 in each hand. But more on that in a moment, as this whole system uses Gemini Robotics 2 for motor control, as well as Gemini Robotics On-Device 2, which adapts across basic robotic arms as well as fully humanoid embodiments, all while using fewer than 200 movement demos to pick up each skill. But its real measure of general intelligence is in the dexterity and problem solving that you're about to see demoed in this next challenge.
Now I will retrieve Jesse's pickleball paddle from the middle shelf.
And as a result of its full body intelligence, Gemini Robotics 2 is also generally dexterous.
I have finished packing. Is there anything else you need help with?
Can I throw you one more challenge?
I am absolutely ready for you to throw me one more challenge, so please let me know what it is.
I just put a tote bag on the floor to your left. Can you search for it and pick it up and place it on the table?
Watch as this autonomously controls its 5-fingered 22 degree of freedom hands to track this bag and pick it up smoothly on the first try. And after this, they request it to do something that is significantly harder.
Hey Apollo, can you help me tidy up my garage? And when you're done, I want to put all the tools back in their kit.
Let's grab the scrubbing mitt and the white transparent spray bottle together and take them to the rightmost transparent bin on the top shelf.
This is an example of it executing even longer task sequences that last several minutes end to end, combining hundreds of decisions.
Hey Duo, kit all tools in the bin, close the kit, and put the kit back into the bin. On it.
With Gemini Robotics Embodied Reasoning 2 now understanding the lifespan of each task to pinpoint the moment that key events occur, which provides a leap in progress understanding. And this introduces a critical breakthrough, which is full-scale multi-robot collaboration with different types of robots communicating and problem-solving together across various scenarios that a single robot couldn't handle alone.
All tasks are fully complete. Mission accomplished.
That was a fantastic job, Apollo. You should be really proud.
You're very welcome, but please don't forget Duo. Duo did a fantastic job with all the precise kitting and organization.
And here are some task examples of Apollo's dexterous ability. This is completely autonomous, tying a bow knot. And from this hand-mounted camera, you can see the robot zipping closed a packet, as well as turning on a light bulb and accomplishing several other dexterous tasks. So what this means for the future is that general purpose robots have arrived and they're fully dexterous, and we can expect for them to speed up in their pacing of execution. Currently, they're moving at slower than a human, but tell us in the comments down below if you expect that by the end of 2028 or 2029 that these robots would be significantly outpacing human speed. Meanwhile, ByteDance just launched SeedDance 2.5, building on its previous audio-video architecture to now lean hard into 2 specific features: generating longer, more coherent footage and letting creators guide that footage with a much richer set of reference materials. So let's walk through the 8 features that are actually new, starting with feature number 1, which is duration. SeedDance 2.5 can now generate up to 30 seconds of video in a single pass, double the 15 seconds the previous version offered, and within that window, the model doesn't just stretch out that one moment, but instead it structures an actual mini-story with a setup, a development, and a turning point, followed by a resolution. Then there's feature number 2, multi-round extension. Once you've generated a clip, you can keep appending new shots onto it, and the model holds on to character consistency, the environment, and the pacing of the story as it grows. This means that creators can finally build multi-minute videos without having to manually stitch clips together or patch over rough transitions. Next, there's feature number 3, which is visual and audio quality, where ByteDance says Seedance 2.5 specifically targets obviously AI-generated looks to tighten up object textures, skin, and eye details, as well as lighting and color saturation, while also cutting down on the garbled subtitles and stray background music that tend to creep into other AI videos. Then there's feature number 4, which is arguably the biggest one. It's the overhaul to multimodal referencing. So users can now feed the model up to 30 images, 10 video clips, and 10 audio clips as reference material in a single generation. It's what allows Seedance 2.5 to handle multi-character scenes while keeping every individual subject's look and voice stable throughout. Then, feature 5 is clay render referencing, a genuinely new trick. Creators can build a scene using bare, textureless 3D models to define camera angles, character poses, and motion paths, and then Seedance 2.5 uses that structure to generate a fully rendered video. Then there's feature number 6, which is timestamp level editing. So instead of regenerating a whole clip to fix one moment, creators can now target specific seconds, controlling camera movement, pacing, or even the character's actions within a defined time window. Feature number 7 covers the advanced editing tools built on top of that precision. Green screen background replacement, camera perspective editing, which allows users to reshoot an existing clip from a different angle, all without changing the actor's performance. And finally, feature number 8 is the industry reach beyond entertainment, because ByteDance highlights Seedance 2.5 as already being tested in education. Plus, it can generate synthetic training data for robotics, as well as simulate factory processes and produce rare, long-tail driving scenarios like extreme weather for autonomous vehicle testing. So, Seedance 2.5 has rolled out on Gmung AI and Dualbao Pro, with API access through Byte Plus Model Arc coming soon. And don't forget, if you'd like to start earning hundreds of dollars per hour discussing your expertise with AI, let Mercor or Micro One start compensating you today by clicking the link below so that AI News can vouch for you and have your first conversation. Anyways, like and subscribe, and check out this video here for more of the latest in AI and robotics news, and thanks for watching.